We are Quantum Architect. We are from SMA Kartika 191 Bandung. So first of all, let me introduce myself and my team. My name is Viradino Islamia, and then
I'm Septi Jayanti.
I am Ian Swartini.
So we are so excited to tell you about our research. The title of our research is The Influence of Using 4D Frame in Physics Education with a STEM Approach on Student Creative Thinking Skill in the topic of Thermodynamics Heat Engine at SMA Kartika 191 Bandung.
Education must innovate in response to advances in science and technology. The aim is to produce creative and critical human resources. STEM approach that integrates science, technology, engineering, and mathematics are increasingly being adopted to improve student thinking abilities. In physics, the thermodynamics of heat engine is an important but often difficult topic. A deep understanding of this topic is essential because it underlies many natural phenomena and their practical application. To help student understanding, 4D frame media is an innovative tool that allows students to explore and experiment directly. It helps students understand physics concepts through practical experience.
We want to tell you about enhancement of creative thinking skills and objective research. The enhancement of creative thinking skill is using the 4D frame in physics education with the STEM approach is expected to enhance student creative thinking skills. It involves technology and engineering to encourage problem solving and innovative solution. And the objective research from our research is aimed to evaluate the impact of using 4D frame media on student creative thinking abilities. The goal is to develop more effective and innovative teaching methods in physics education. Next, the learning outcomes. The learning outcomes can be divided into two. There are learning outcomes or LO and learning objective sequence or LOS. The learning outcomes or LO is apply the principle and concept of heat energy and thermodynamics, including their various transformations in heat engines. And learning objective sequence or LOS is analyze the change in state of gas from the perspective of law of thermodynamics and present example of its application in heat engine.
The development of heat engine. First, at 17th century, these early steam engines were used to lift water from coal mines and acids in the mining process. Second, at the 18th century, James Watt improved the efficiency of steam engine by adding a condenser and a more advanced piston driving mechanism. At the third, at 19th century, development of internal combustion engines. And then, at 20th century, heat engine technology advanced further with the innovation of gas turbine engines. The last but not least, at 21st century, the development of heat engine technology continues into the 21st century with a focus on improving efficiency, using more environmentally friendly fuels, and integrating renewable energy sources. This effort aims to reduce environmental impact and enhance sustainability in engine propulsion system. From the history, we know that it takes so many years to develop big idea with significant responsibilities such as the evolution of heat engine. Learning about the history of heat engine development can teach us to think creatively. To be creative, we must create a challenging situation to present a problem that needs to be solved. In the future, there will undoubtedly be new problems or new technology development goals, as outlined in SDGs point 7 and 13. We need creative thinking to solve this issue. Therefore, students will be trained in creative thinking by being given challenges. So, we use the PISA 2021 Creative Thinking Framework as a reference for creating research instruments. Here are the research instruments we use. This instrument consists of 4 indicators, which are: first, visual expression. In the PISA framework for creative thinking, visual expression, an important part of this framework, focuses on student ability to create, interpret, and evaluate visual forms. For example, students are encouraged to create original visual content such as drawing, diagrams, or digital art. This assesses their ability to use visual elements creatively to communicate ideas and solve problems.
Based on the graph, we can see that the 4 categories of creative ability, such as written expression, visual expression, social problem solving, and scientific problem solving, is experience increase. And then you can see on the graph that the high gains is happen to the social problem solving and scientific problem solving. The social problem solving is related to the SDGs problem, and then the scientific problem solving is how the student can solve the problem based the 4 different to make something useful. And then if we can see the height and the lowest increase, the height increase is happen to the social problem solving by 77%. It can say that this approach is effective to increase creative ability, social problem solving category. And then the lowest increase is happen to the written expression by 40%. It can say that based on the category that this approach is less effective to increase the creative ability kategori written expression.
Finally, we want to tell you about conclusion of our research. First, overall, the level of basic learning using 4 different media is in the effective enough category at 62.4%. Second, among the categories of written expression, visual expression, social problem solving, and scientific problem solving, the highest increase occur in the social problem solving at 77.7% in the effective category, and the lowest increase occur in written expression at 40.81% in the less effective category. And third, recommendation for future research are suggest conduct longitudinal studies to assess the long-term impact of 4 different media on student creative thinking skill and other learning outcomes to better understand its effectiveness over time.